Because the Renukaswamy murder case is getting murkier by the day. Even when it comes to every layer that has now been uncovered, there has been gruesome details on how apparently Darshan and his aides allegedly committed the crime, and an elaborate plan was set up to cover up. That has now left everyone shocked. Now the Bengaluru police conducted spot inspection at prominent hotel in Mysuru. As per sources, there were financial transactions that also occurred at this hotel after the crime. Times Now has also accessed the second remand copy in the case that reveals certain disturbing details that have now come to light. According to the inside details that have been accessed, Darshan allegedly paid 30 lakh rupees to cover up the crime, offered 5 lakh each to the other accused who agreed to take the fall for him. The report reveals that a tree branch and lathis that were used to brutalize and assault Renukaswamy, and the police also found blood stains at the crime scene. The autopsy report is also a doubt, which says that Renukaswamy died because of shock and hemorrhage that resulted from multiple blunt injuries. On the other hand, Darshan, who left his clothes where he was wearing that day at the residence, the cops reportedly found those clothes that were already washed multiple times. Even when it comes to multiple phones, we are told around 10 of them that have been seized from the accused. They have been sent for forensic lab to derive the data. Investigators are also leaving no stone unturned to get to the bottom of the case, and they have put an extensive system actually to collect the evidence. There is, according to sources, ACP or Assistant Commissioner of Police that have now been assigned with multiple teams who are probing all of the angles and thereafter would be reporting to him.
ಗಂಭೀರತೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಎಸಿಪಿ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸಿಪಿ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಅವರು ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ತನಿಖೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವಶ್ಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯಾಮಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ತನಿಖಾ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Now let's talk about the Karnataka Home Minister. He himself has responded to the alleged celebrity links to the Renukaswamy murder case, saying that Darshan is a big name, he's a popular name, he's a celebrity, and he has several contacts. He also added that this does not mean that all of them are possibly involved in this gruesome incident. Amid also the rumors of a change in public prosecutor in Darshan case, as far as the State Home Minister has clarified that the government does not intend to weaken the case.
ನಮಗೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕೇಸನ್ನ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಡಿಲ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮುಲಾಜಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗದೇನೆ ಈ ಕೇಸನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪಿಪಿಗಳನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Now let's talk about the Sandalwood film industry or the Karnataka film industry, which has now taken a hit right after when it comes to a popular actor Darshan, his arrest, his co-actor Pavitra's arrest as well. Many other now actors and popular stars who have also been finally reacting. Even as Kicha Sudeep has been stating a few days back that the case has affected the industry, the film industry altogether. Upendra too has also reacted. Actor Rachita Ram has reacted. She's been taken to the social media and she said that she's shocked that Darshan is possibly involved in a murder case. She's called him as her guru, but however said that also a fair probe is needed so that the truth comes out. Now with the glamour growing when it comes to Darshan's ban from the Kannada film industry, popular Kannada actor Kicha Sudeep also broke his silence. However, he's not taking sides and he says that justice to be given also to the family of the victim in this case.
ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಪರ ಇವ್ರ ಪರ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಪಾಪ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಳ್ ಬದುಕಬೇಕಾದ ರೇಣುಕಾಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಹುಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಆ ಮಗುಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಏನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಮಗೇನು ವಿಚಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು, ನಾವೇನು ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಏನೋ ಸರ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಸರಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಲ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಚಾರ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದೋ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದೇನಿದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು.
Let's talk about another celebrity in this case, Upendra, who was himself a distinguished actor and filmmaker. He also put up a post on his social media account seeking more transparency in the case. He posted a photo of Annapureshwari Nagar police station where Darshan and the other accused are being killed. Let's also talk about Darshan's wife here, because Vijay Lakshmi, who has come to the police station to record her statement in connection with the murder probe. However, we have learned that she may have no direct link to the crime, but her statement will be corroborated with the other evidences that have now been gathered. Let's go across for that update to Deepak. Deepak is joining us right now. Deepak, Vijay Lakshmi has also come about to record her statement. What is the possible link and why has the police called her?
Now, we should note that this entire fiasco began because of alleged derogatory comments that were made by Renuka Swami. Now, the reason why he's made these comments is on the context that Darshan is legally married to Vijay Lakshmi, while he's said to have or rumored to have an affair with, Pavitra Gowda. Now, Renuka Swami, being a fan of Darshan, thought that Pavitra Gowda was interfering in the family affairs of Darshan and started to, negatively comment against Pavitra Gowda. Now, these aspects, of course, could come into consideration as far as the investigation. This is something that she could be questioned regarding. There's also another aspect that the footwear that Darshan was wearing on during the time of the crime and on the day of the crime was found at her residence, Vijay Lakshmi's residence. So all these aspects, of course, could be necessary to question Vijay Lakshmi over, and that's the reason she's just made her way as of now. There doesn't seem to be any direct link of hers to the crime in itself.
All right. As far as the questioning also is concerned, because she too is being questioned and her statement will be recorded. Let's in the meantime break down the details as Deepak continues to be with us. The details of the remand copy for now that we have access. Let's put down the details for our viewers to see, because what is now being cited so far is the details that we talk about. As far as the remand copy details are concerned, let's break that down for our viewers to see. What has been called as an alleged cover-up in the case is something that we talk about. The scoop that is now being covered up has been paid. As far as Darshan, the actor, is now concerned, 30 lakh rupees that were paid to allegedly cover up the crime. The scoop also says as far as 5 lakh rupees were paid to the accused so that they claim to be the one who have committed the crime. Another scoop that goes on to say that Bengaluru cops have meanwhile seized the cash that goes on to the amount, and as far as the weapons that were used, the means that were used to brutalize or to assault Renuka Swami, that included lathis and tree branches that were used for the assault. The autopsy report that is also out, there were blood stains that were found at the crime scene. The recovery of the car as well that has been made by the police. The accused Nagraj, who transported Renuka Swami's body in the car, that was said to be a Scorpio car which has been seized by the police, and forensic data that is also being collected from inside the car itself. The blood stains reportedly that have been found at the back seat of the car, and the death that has taken place according to the autopsy reveals that Renuka Swami died because of multiple blunt injuries, because of shock, because of trauma and because of hemorrhage. The death that happened because of multiple blunt injuries that is reported in the autopsy report. Now, even when it comes to the destruction of evidence, the clothes that were worn on the day of the crime, Darshan left the clothes at his residence. What is being said that his clothes were washed and they were found to be on the terrace. The other accused also disposed of their clothes. This is according to the police what is being cited, and at least 10 phones that were seized. Now they have been sent to the forensic lab to derive the data, how they were in touch and how exactly did the plan come into focus when it comes to also finding out about Renuka Swami and his whereabouts. So those are the details that we are now talking about as far as Renuka Swami probe is also concerned.